Hey, when is that recharge pump gonna start working again? Huh? That's over there behind the fountain. Guys, I'm just giving you a heads up. I don't see the lake getting any higher. So when's this lake gonna start filling back up? Because my lake is the highest lake in Palm Beach Plantation. We're at 14 feet elevation. And this lake recharges all the rest of the lakes because they're all connected by pipes. So, when is that recharge pump gonna start working again? All right? Sick of looking at this crap. Yo.